This 2019 Keystone Outback Ultra-Lite 260 UML is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 30 feet 6 inches in length and features Sleep 6, auxiliary battery, external shower, air conditioning, refrigerator, smoke detector, oven, leveling jacks, spare tire kit, LP detector, water heater, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Keystone Outback Ultra-Lite 260 UML is 5,760 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.